As the measles cases continue to grow, one family is concerned that it's affecting access to their medically vulnerable child who would normally have to go to local hospitals. Fox 12's MARJA Martinez spoke with the boy, the mother of the boy, with a severely compromised immune system, and shares how this outbreak is impacting them.
She says normally her son would be treated at Randall's Children's Hospital, but because officials confirmed it as a possible exposure site, the family changed their plans and ended up here at Providence Child Center.
We live our entire lives in a bubble.
CALLI Ross says her son Tennyson was born with severe medical conditions, causing him to have seizures, learning disabilities, and he can only be fed through a tube.
Our life is hospitals. And it has been for the last 4 years now.
In 4 years, there have been more than 400 hospitalizations, she says. When Tennyson's symptoms recently worsened and he began suffering from frequent seizures, CALLI tells me she rushed him to the hospital, but chose not to take him where he's normally treated.
During this measles outbreak, we got out of Dodge as fast as possible.
Clark County health officials added Tennyson's primary hospital, Randall Children's, to the list of potential measles exposure sites, after officials say a measles patient was admitted to the hospital. However, it was later removed from the list when hospital officials verified steps staff took to ensure other patients were not exposed.
The disease is airborne for up to 2 hours, and you're looking at a highly communicable disease around children that have no immune system.
Not wanting to take any risks, CALLI says she took Tennyson, who is unvaccinated, to Providence St. Vincent's Hospital instead, where he was for 21 days and later was transferred to the Child Center in Northeast Portland.
Tens can't be immunized with live vaccines. He would contract measles and could die from it.
The mother of two says although Tennyson is not vaccinated, it wasn't a choice for her family. She hopes parents who do have a choice listen to what health officials are recommending and have their kids immunized. If not for the sake of their own kids, then for the sake of those like Tennyson.
There's just so many families like mine with immunosuppressed kids that are in serious danger because of other people's choices.
Remember, if you suspect you or your child has the measles, you should call your medical provider before entering the facility so they can prepare for that treatment. Reporting here in Portland, MARJA Martinez, Fox 12 Oregon.